So I'm getting kind of sick of the doors not staying open on the backhoe here. Got a 580 Super K. I'm going to change the struts today, or at least one of them. I believe these struts fit a lot of different case equipment. As you can see, it just goes right shut. So these are part number I just saw it on there before. There we go. DF 44881, and they come from loaderpartsource.com. They're about $53 shipped to my door. So this is what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go and thread these ends off, put some Loctite on them because they are just finger tight, and my guess is they're going to rattle off. And then these clips right here, check if your originals have those. Mine do not anymore. If they don't, you can just pop them off. If they do, you'll have to remove those, and then you go with this one and you slip them out. It might be a little bit of a challenge to get back on, but you go snap that end in. This is probably optional, but and then you try to get this lock back in. There we go. And I'm gonna have to push this in a little. There we go. Put this lock in. And look at that. The door is staying open all on its own. Even opens itself. Oh, that's so much nicer getting in now. The reason why I'm not putting this other one on is the new ones don't come with the balls, and this one is missing one of the balls, so, and the nut. So I'll have to go look around, see if I can find any of these laying around that I took off some old equipment. But I guess that's it for now. Thanks for watching.